Everyone, in this video I will show you how to create babysitter information sheet. First you need to click extensions, Google form and then load form template. Now you can search babysitter information sheet. After you found it, just click load selected template and check the dashboard, responses, questions and the settings. Just refresh the page and click Google form and then get link and click continue and then go to your account. Just click advance and go to Google form. And you just need to click allow here. And then you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it into your search engine. Now the form is ready to use. You can also change the questions. For example, I want to insert new row here. Like this, insert new row. For example, I use tags and I use name, baby's name here. Like this. And it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the question type here. For example, I change it into date, and don't forget to change the text too. For example, date of birth, like this. And go back to your form and check it all. It's very easy, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, and it will disappear. And go to settings to change the background color of your form. And now it's changed. It's very easy to use. Also, I want to give an example to give a style for the title. Here is the code. You can just follow it. Like this, for example, and scroll amount. For example, here I use 25. And don't forget to close the code here, like slash mark. And go to your form. And now the title is moving. Thank you.